What's good, my people? Back again with another one. As always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share and subscribe. So another how much height video. This time we've got a classic pair of Air Max 97s, triple black. I've got my trusty tool. So this, the sole, insole, whatever you want to call it, not the sole, I've got to kind of work out where it would be. It would be around here, so that's actually quite decent. On this side it's a bit higher and lower. Here, yeah, we're going to measure that bit to see how much height they add. So the shape is funny, so these are like approximate measurements of how much height this shoe will add to you. Just keep going. Can't do it with one hand. We'll do it that way. So yeah, that's 1.55 inches. Millimeters 39.5. It's actually quite a decent height that they add to you. So about 1.5 inches, just a bit over, but we could say 1.5 inches. Not too bad. I've got loads of how much height videos coming. I've already posted a few as well, so just click the bell icon. You'll see plenty of reviews, how much height, comparisons, on foots, the lot, to be honest. If you have a shoe that you want to see how much height on, just tell me, comment below and we'll get it sorted. That's all for me for today. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe and take care, my people.